Hey, what's up? If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. Did you know that you can create QR codes in Excel? It's very simple. All you have to do is have some data that you need to convert into a QR code. Go into a new blank cell, type in equal to image, and then all you have to do is paste this URL into this section. This URL is nothing but a Google API's URL that creates charts in general. So when you use that URL in Excel, it's going to create that chart right here instead of on a browser. So I've already copied it. Let's go ahead and paste that. And after the ampersand, all you have to do is link it to the cell that you need to convert into a QR code. So in this case, I'm going to just click here, close the bracket and hit enter. And you can see now that it has a QR code. Now, if you're wondering if this QR code actually works, there's a very easy way to test that. Go ahead and scan it and give it a test. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps me out a lot. And subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.